How's it going, everybody? This is your guy, Oprelia here, and today we're going to be reviewing yet another AI tool. This one is called seowriting.ai, and as the name suggests, this is an AI writing tool which can basically do one-click SEO-optimized articles, blog posts, product reviews, affiliate content, all types of stuff in a very formatted manner and very fast with images. So it's a very impressive tool. It also comes along with a free version, so in case you want to try it out, you should definitely give the free trial a shot. And this review will be based on the subscription version there, so there's basically two different models here. There is the starter and the professional, and this review will be based on the starter version, which comes along with a lot of different features, and some of them are actually behind professional, so not everything is basically on the starter version, and this allows you to basically generate up to 50 articles per month. And in case you know anything about writing long articles specifically, in my case at least, when I do these research heavy articles on my website, they tend to take quite a long time, more so than actually videos. So the process of actually creating articles just with a one-click is quite impressive and saves a lot more time. Obviously, you have to fine-tune some of the articles if you want them to be more to your liking, but basically it is maybe the best document style AI tool right now in the space. So it can basically generate high quality long form content, basically create detailed product listings 10x faster than the competition, optimize content for SEO ranks, so you have a certain keyword that you're looking for, and maybe you don't own a website, but maybe you have a product, maybe you have a YouTube video, you can create alongside article with it and insert the video in that, so you can boost sales. Maybe you have an affiliate link that you want to share, maybe you can write an article around it. There are many ways to utilize these types of tools, and this is basically what SEO writing can offer to you. And I will be going into the actual interface here. So this is what it looks like, and as I said, there are a couple of different tools here. We're going to be using the one-click blog post here. And what you need to only do is just insert a keyword. You can also use many different languages. So maybe your niche is in another language or something. That works too. And I want to just do an article for best ChatGPT versus Perplexity AI. So another AI tool that I'm using. That is going to be a keyword, and now it's going to be just basically prompts out a random title. Then you can choose how long the article is going to be, how many headings it's going to be having. We're going to be going for a medium article over here. The tone of the voice is going to be informational, so we're kind of giving out data to people, so you have different ways to relay that information to people. So we're going to be going for informational. Point of view is going to be from second person or third person or first person. So in this case, let's say it's going to be going for a blog post, so it's me, and you can even use the target country, and then you can add certain details here. I don't need to really add anything here. You can choose AI images included on it. I just want to show the capability of them, so let's put about 5 of them inside the article. Image style, let's go with cyberpunk here. I haven't really tried these out at all. And here's the image size, so in case your blog or something is using certain format, you should use that. And you can also add YouTube videos. We can obviously change them afterwards on the article, but let's just put a 1. It usually just picks out something that is relevant. And keywords you can add, and these are kind of way to get the website or the article basically ranking. So we can use generation here, just kind of give you ideas. So this is what it was going to be using. And so statistical fact. So you can start with a question, quotation, anecdotal story. Let's go with the hook is going to be some type of statistic. And here are some of the formats I talked about: italics, bold, quotes, key takeaways, FAQ. FAQ, not really important in this one, but let's just add it so you can guys see basically it. You can add your own WordPress website to it, so it basically automatically throws in all the necessary indexing to your blog. Now, I do want to say that I'm sometimes a bit wary about using SEO articles over websites because the Google and other platforms might be punishing your SEO ranking based on if it's the content's too AI or it's all AI or it's irrelevant or something like that. So you got to be really careful about that and research on whatever's good. But if you're writing on Medium or some other website, it's not too bad. You can do whatever there. And link type, we're not going to do that. And there's this, as you can see, the publication, you can publish it. So let's just go with this and run it. And I've done some other test articles, a couple of our clients and etc. Well, here's something that I did earlier. So this was stock music GPT, which I did review on the channel before. Basically here it's out all the formatting. So basically this is an AI generated image. This is like some early Stable Diffusion version, far as I know, not very impressive, or it actually might be DALL-E. That's something that I hope that they fix in the future. But I like to generate my own images always to my articles to have that specific art style. And here it just kind of gives you bullet points. It has questions. And it's just like a lot of formatting here. And it just puts images in certain parts of the article. Here it has numericals. And then it just goes into pricing. And then it's even can like do these types of tables, which I love tables. So this is something also very impressive that comes along with it. And if you're writing something like this under WordPress, everything is the formatting, everything is like copied like snap immediately into WordPress. Some other blog sites, whatever you're using, might have to kind of format it a bit. And basically here's how many words this was. So let's go back into, so as you can see, it's already 84% up. So this is very, very fast way to prompt out these things. Meanwhile, we wait, I could show out some other things here. So you can bulk article generate things. So let's say we want to do multiple articles. Let's say we're just like doing a lot of websites, like let's say it's some type of a vendor which sells like, let's say ice cream making products, some like different ice cream spoons and things like that. And what you can do is just like, and what a lot of websites do is that they write multiple articles about different subjects about ice cream. So our main keyword would be ice cream, and then we would add rows, and it would basically start generating certain types of topics and ideas around ice cream. And then, these articles would bring in people to your website eventually who are like somewhat interested in some ice cream statistics, and then they might end up buying your product. So you want to sometimes like bulk articles are really good in that sense. You like write a lot of different content about different subjects, running your niche, and then you're just like getting so many articles. And as I said, like it has the limitation of 50, but it's really 50 articles a month is a lot. That's something that I might write in 2 years. That's like the maximum articles I might write in 2 years, depending on the year. But 50 would be the absolute max that I would write in such a size. And obviously you can always get the AI to do and then it's like also like there's you have a text, you want to humanize the text, so it's also this tool to basically make it out. This improves your Google ranking. So it has a couple of different really, really good tools. There's also a product review that you can do. So let's say we want to review the Samsung phone. Okay, we have to actually add an Amazon product link. So, well, this is the one opportunity there. So just like a one idea, like let's say you are an Amazon affiliate. Okay, I want to sell out this bathtub or these, gloves or whatever, this biking accessories. You can do all of that with these editors basically, and just like give out the Amazon link, and they will create out the article for you and the review for that. And then people will search reviews for the products in Amazon, and then they might stumble on that review of your review, and which has your affiliate link. So this is very, very powerful. A way to do these things. Now, let's see if actually our article is ready. So here, let's see. And okay, actually these images are not too bad. assistant showdown. It uses a lot of bolding. I don't know why. Does that have like a SEO benefit? But here it goes into like comparing. It also draw out, random video from here, and it also adds quotes, which is very useful sometimes if you want like seem to have more authentic review. And here is kind of like the comparison here between the things, and the images are not too bad actually this time around. So yeah, I think this is like a decent article. It goes into comparing these two. Sometimes it might be a bit repetitive on the articles, like it might kind of repeat itself, like it might talk about something that is quite, similar to each other. So you might have to skim these articles a bit by bit. But overall, I would say the SEO writing AI tool is really cheap. And if you have money to basically experiment around, like let's say you create a new AI website, which is all AI articles around a certain niche, you have affiliate links to that niche, then just go on, blast 50 articles there, maybe release them on a certain time span, and see how it basically starts to rank, because this is also giving you the keywords for that thing and maybe allow you to basically rank out. But hey, that's basically my rundown of SEO writing. If you have any questions about this tool, let me know in the comment section below. I also do have my own link down below where I would appreciate you signing under and giving it a shot. I recommend doing the free tool first a chance, and if you see it's like very valuable, your article does well, maybe you then want to sign up for the starter subscription or the pro one. But I do want to add that my friend also tried out the tool, and he was trying to like write a review for like a new game or something. So if you're asking something like super specific, which doesn't have a lot of information in the internet, do not expect a lot of like good results. But for most old products or even new from like 1 year ago, I'm pretty sure that this SEO writing tool can basically able to do those product reviews and comparisons and articles in general, but it might be a bit more on the surface level. It maybe not be as intricate and detailed review, but you don't always need that for every single type of product that you're going to be talking about or a subject. But thanks for watching, guys. See you later on the next video. Cheers.